Tough, powerful and comfortable, the HL980A is HD Hyundai's 31-ton Stage 5 world loader. A powerful Cummins X12 engine, which produces over 350 horsepower, delivers all the performance you need to tackle heavy-duty applications in any condition. A ride control system with a piston accumulator reduces pitching of the world loader body and bucket for smooth, stable and comfortable operation. It also minimalises spillage, improving productivity. The HL980A is not only powerful with 429 litres of hydraulic flow at 280 bars of pressure, but it's also versatile, with 2 boom options offering a maximum pin height of 4.9 metres. For increased reliability and durability, the HL980A's axles have an increased capacity. And for applications with frequent braking, axle oil cooling is available as an option. High-grade hoses with outstanding resistance to heat and pressure provide maximum durability, even in the toughest work conditions. It's equipped with a 5-speed transmission with lockup clutch, which allows you to work more productively whilst keeping fuel usage and emissions low. The engine will shut down automatically when the machine is at rest, to cut fuel consumption and prevent unnecessary emissions. Different operating modes and idle times can be selected according to the work environment, further enhancing efficiency. The new Smart Power mode adjusts engine RPM in heavy work conditions to save fuel without compromising on performance. The optional hydraulic locking differential improves productivity and reduces fuel usage by preventing your tyres from slipping. The engine hood is fully retractable and electronically controlled for easy access to the routine maintenance and daily checks components. The HL980A has a large cab with an air suspended and heated seat as standard, making it the perfect environment for those long shifts. The HL980A's safety features are designed and tested to meet your needs in the real world, even offering an extra pair of eyes with the optional advanced around view monitoring and radar systems. The 7-inch touchscreen monitor is easy to use, whilst the Eco Report feature offers real-time information about the machine's productivity. All the indicators displaying the machine's status are centralised in one cluster. Maximise your productivity in comfort with the HL980A. For more information about this machine or other machines in the HD Hyundai range, visit our website or contact your local Hyundai dealer.